Today in this video, we will discuss Discover CD rates for 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, and 14 months. We'll also cover the fees, early withdrawal penalties, grace period, and calculate how much you will earn after depositing $2,000. So, let's get started. Discover CD rates and terms. Discover CDs have a wide range of term options, from 3 months to 10 years. This is an unusually large range, giving you flexibility for both short-term and long-term savings goals. One of the best features of Discover CDs is that there is no minimum deposit required, which is quite uncommon compared to other banks that often require $500 or $1,000 to open a CD. Early withdrawal penalty. If you withdraw money before your CD matures, you will face penalties based on the term length. 3 months worth of interest for CDs with terms less than 1 year. 6 months worth of interest for CDs of 1 year to less than 4 years. 9 months worth of interest for CDs of 4 years to less than 5 years. 18 months worth of interest for CDs of 5 years to less than 7 years. 2 years worth of interest for CDs of 7 years or longer. Make sure to plan carefully before locking your funds into a CD. Grace period. Once your Discover CD matures, you will have a 9-day grace period to withdraw or make changes to your CD without paying a penalty. After this period, the CD will automatically renew, so be mindful of this timeline. Discover CD pros and cons. Pros: higher interest rates. Discover CDs offer better rates than the average CD. No minimum deposit. You can start saving without worrying about a minimum amount. Variety of terms. Flexible options from 3 months to 10 years. Daily interest compounding. Earn more over time as interest is compounded daily. Cons: high early withdrawal penalties. Penalties increase significantly for longer terms. Online-only bank. Discover operates without physical branches, which may not suit everyone. How much will you earn after depositing $2,000? Here's a quick look at potential earnings. For a 3-month CD, you might only earn a few dollars on your deposit. For a 12-month CD, you could see moderate growth, potentially earning $40 to $50 depending on the rate. For longer terms, such as 5 or 10 years, your earnings could grow significantly, adding hundreds of dollars to your initial deposit. The exact amount will depend on the current APY for the term you choose. Hope you now understand everything about Discover CD rates. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more financial insights. Thank you for watching.